Today I wanted to show you how to make sesame chicken right at home. I have 3 or 4 cloves of the big garlic and a little bit of ginger, and this, if you don't have it, don't worry, don't be fret. It's just gonna be just fine. And if you have a powder, that's something you could use too as well. I'm just gonna fine chop. Meanwhile, I have about 5 chicken breasts and I'm going to cube them to the size that you desire. It doesn't necessarily need to be too big because you're gonna fry them. Nice cube size, however you like it. I cut off all my chicken, transfer it to a big bowl here. Here, this is a Korean one, but you can easily just buy any frying batter at regular grocery store. But if you ever chance to go to Asian market, on the corner of a flour aisle, whatever there, you will find this Korean frying mix for cooking. There is a measurement in the back with English, but you know, I think I'm just gonna wing it, which I usually am successful doing it. So I just add some, and also it's really forgiving. So try out, buy some, try to use it. And if you don't, you can easily find different DIY recipe for frying batter. Simply, you can just make cornstarch or potato starch, frying with it, batter with some egg mixture will be great as well. But today I'm going to use this frying batter that I bought. Mix it with some cold water. And you're gonna see, just mix it and see the consistency. It is almost like a pancake batter. A bit of oil, just neutral vegetable oil would do rather than olive oil, just because we're cooking Asian here. To that, we are going to those 3 goddess, onion, garlic, and ginger right in. I know it's not heated up, but you know, I got lots going on, so we're just going to add it and let it just cook its own. This one was, the sauce was cooking in low right now because I'm doing many other things and it's going a little slow. But right now it's smoking. I'm gonna start cooking my chicken. Yes, best to use some other kitchen utensil to do this, but I find my hand itself works the best. Plus, years that I worked at sushi restaurant cooking shrimp tempura, loads of it, maybe lose a little bit sense of afraid of hot oil. Let's not burn it. And you will be frying this until golden brown. Meanwhile, while the other one is cooking, let's finish up the sauces. Here we're adding, I think, about half cup of soy sauce, or that could be 1/3 a cup. I'm adding some, I think, the same amount of a ketchup here. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I think. I'm adding a little bit of a brown sugar. I think that's about 2 tablespoons of that. A little bit of honey. Hey, I brought honey from McDonald's having a chicken nugget. I didn't have much of honey, so this is what I'm using. Add sugar or soy sauce, add a little less or a little more by tasting for your sauce, however you like, but that's the basic sauce. They're delicious, by the way. Almost at the end, you're gonna toss it with some sesame oil, some sesame seeds on top. Chef's kiss. Meanwhile, to make your sauce nice and sticky, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Could be 2. You're gonna make this slurry water, which will thicken the sauce. Right into my sauce. I'm just gonna heat it up to thicken it, and that's it, guys. When I fry all my chicken, put this 2 together, and I'm gonna top it up with some white rice, and that's your dinner. And the very last step will be mixing 2 together. Some rice here. We're gonna scoop up our chicken. Generous amount. Clean this side.